Good morning, Bryson. Yes, it's going to be a nice Thursday. Weather-wise, we're not going to have any rain to worry with. However, there's a pretty strong band of clouds moving through the central third of the country. We have an upper-level system that's sparking these clouds, but, no rain associated with any of this. And really, it's calm from coast to coast. So if you're traveling out, especially across the southeast of Mississippi, you're not going to have any problems. But again, you can see that cloud cover really from southeast Texas all the way through the Midwest this morning, including the Delta. And as we zoom in, there's going to be some breaks in the clouds later on, but right now the coverage is pretty high across the region. But later on today, we'll start to see more sunshine move into the region. No rain expected today, and really over the next 6 days, rain chances not going to be that high. I think our best chance probably going to be Tuesday into Wednesday as another system moves through. But this weekend, other than Sunday, really do not anticipate much in the way of rainfall. And as for your temperatures, continuing to rise now at 57 in Clarksdale, 52 in Greenwood, still in the 40s here in Greenville, and we're looking at low 50s for much of southeastern Arkansas and northern Louisiana. So again, temperatures will continue to warm as we go through the rest of the day. And tracking out your Thursday, we're looking at 60s probably in the next little bit. And then as we go into the afternoon, remember the heat of the day now around 2 o'clock, we're going to be in the 70s pretty much area wide. Warmer temperatures to our west. As the sun goes down, we cool down. Again, the clouds really start to break overnight, but we're going to have southerly winds, southeast winds coming in later on today and into the overnight hours. It's going to keep temperatures a little bit warmer. We're looking at low to mid 50s overnight, and then we'll really warm up tomorrow into the middle 70s. And the trend, well, it's on an upward trend for now. We're looking at potentially 80s heading into next week. Our average high 70. So we're going to be nearly 10 degrees above average as we head into next week and this weekend. And really, this looks like it's going to persist as we go into the rest of this week. And then next week, we have a pretty good shot at being above average in the temperature department. So again, as for the warm weather, we're going to keep it around at least through the middle of the month. So no fall-like weather coming our way, and now transitioning over to the hurricane season, or I should say the tropics, we still have some stuff going on. Remember, Hurricane Eta made landfall into Nicaragua Tuesday afternoon as a Category 4 storm. That's the latest we've ever had a Category 4 storm in the Atlantic Basin. And as we track out this storm, if it's able to hold itself together and reemerge back into the Caribbean, it could potentially become a tropical storm again and head towards Cuba and South Florida. And then it's going to make a pretty strong turn to the west. That's when we really have to start watching this. So right now there's a lot of uncertainty with this. There's no need to panic, but it's definitely something we need to watch because a lot of these spaghetti plots have this moving back towards the Gulf of Mexico heading into early next week. So again, there's a lot of uncertainty, but we're going to continue to track this out. And just a reminder, Eta was the 28th named storm of the season, which is record-breaking, beats the old record set back in 2005, a 27 named storm. So just an incredible season. So of course we're going to watch Eta closely because we've already had 11 landfalling systems here in the United States alone. As for today, we're looking at highs of 74, those clouds this morning, some sun this afternoon, plenty of warmth, highs in the mid 70s. Tonight, cool but not cold, lows of 49, mostly clear skies. And then going into tomorrow, highs of 76, mostly sunny. It is going to be warm. We're going to keep this warm trend really through the weekend. Highs near 80 next week with a couple of showers around Tuesday into Wednesday. And skipping over this, take a look at some of these sunrises this morning. It was beautiful. This is by Elizabeth Steele. We got Brian Forrest, and really, Bryce, there was a lot of color going on with these sunrises this morning. And look at that. Betty Barnett. This is one of my favorite ones right here. Looks like the sky's on fire.
It does. I mean, so many colors. It's so beautiful. I love to see these. Wow, look at that one.
Yeah, that's incredible.
That might be one of my favorites. I don't know. That's amazing. And I'm so glad people were able to capture these. I know I love taking pictures of sunrise and sunset, so I hope people continue to send these in. They're beautiful.
Yeah, you know what? I really love sunrise, sunset photos. They're one of my favorite things. I try to take them as much as I can, so it's always good to see these coming in. We got a lot of photos this morning, so keep up the good work, and I want to see those photos the rest of the week.
Definitely.
We only have one more day. So.
But we still love to show them off. So,
yeah, exactly.
Send them in. Yeah. But